Hey everyone, Vanessa here from Eternal Stationery. So today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to upload one of our designs into Cricut Design Space. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all you're going to do is go to our store, find whatever cutting file you like and purchase it. Our digital files are instant download, so you should be able to download straight away and save the files directly to your computer. Once the file is on your computer, you will then need to unzip and extract the folder to get to the files. On Mac, you can just click the zip file and it should unzip automatically. If you are using a Windows computer, just right-click on the folder and then select Extract. In this folder, there is a DXF file and also an SVG file. Because we are uploading to Cricut Design Space today, I'm going to use the SVG file. So next we are going to go to our design space, and when you are in your project you can just go to upload, then select upload image and hit browse to find the SVG file. Click open and then click save. And there you have it. It is in Cricut Design Space now, and you can insert it into your project by clicking on the image to select, and then you'll see a green box outline. You'll see it is very big at first, but you can easily resize it by clicking and holding around these arrows and then moving your mouse. So it is as easy as that. Simply upload to your design space and you're ready to go.